Hello, everyone. This is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay. I am bringing you another planner spread video. Yay! I love this one, the simplicity of it. And it seems like I've been using pink a lot. What do you guys think? It's not my favorite color by any means. I do love pink, but it's not my favorite color. So this one has pinks and greens and purples in it, which is really pretty, and these little pretty dainty little flowers. I love it. Again, I am using the teacher layout with my subjects down one side and my dates across the top. Function, very functional for Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Those are my work days. Mondays and Fridays I are my days, and the weekends is things that I have to do and accomplish around the house and other things. And I plan out what write down things that I have to do for next week, so I make sure it gets into the planner. So today we have some quotes, and let me walk you through the quotes. This one, happiness key. Every day I try to be happy, and it's my goal to be happy every day, every moment of the day, and not let someone knock me off my happiness post. That's just me. And make today great. I always wake up and say what great things are going to happen today. I'm thankful for whatever greatness comes today. And the more you speak positively, the more positivity you get back. It is reciprocated, it is boomeranged back to you. So we have to make sure that we're telling our subconscious mind to be positive and not negative and dwell on negative things. You're the driver. You tell your mind what to do. Don't let your mind tell you what to do. Hello, spring. I'm so ready for it. I think this day is the end of spring, I think. I could be wrong. But I am so excited. It matched the little flowers, so I guess that's why I put it there. And I needed to balance out the grays and blacks on the page. So 3 3 3 3. I like doing things in threes. So 1 2 3 in the green, 1 2 3 in the pink, and 1 2 3 in the purple. Just this me. And this sticker says, oh yes, yes to the possibilities, yes to being positive, yes to being bold, yes to having a great day. Just yes, yes, yes. You get so much more from yes than you do with no. But don't get me wrong. There are times when you do need to say no for your yes, if that makes any sense. Because if you're trying to be positive and something comes along and it's negative, definitely say no. Definitely say no. So you have to sometimes know when to use that word, but for the most part, it's yes. And for me, let me say that. For me, it's yes. So it says, change your thoughts and you'll change the world. I think I had this in a previous spread, but this is it rings so true that when you start changing your thoughts to more positive things, you get more positive things in your life. You got to make sure that you're changing your thoughts to bring more good things into your life. It is, you deserve the goodness. Don't let anybody tell you that you don't deserve anything. You deserve all the goodness that God has for you. Whoever your God is, spiritual, whatever, but you deserve all the good. Because in the beginning, he said that we were to be, to fill the earth, be prosperous, and be happy. So God is never changing. So I'm going to leave it right there. I'm not going to get into religion or whatever like that, but I want you guys to really think about changing how you think about things. Thinking propels you to the next level. If you're not thinking, if you're not moving and you're just stagnant, you're not thinking. You're not thinking outside the box. You're not thinking big. Our minds are receivers and receptors, and you have to draw in those good thoughts and not the negative. Listening to gossip and all of that. If it doesn't really concern you, leave it where it is. Just leave it where it is if it does not concern you. Okay, I'm done. And love this life, love this life, love this life. It's important to love the life that you're living in. And if you're not living a good life, you're not going to love it. So that is my soapbox for today. This is my spread for the week. And I am encouraging you to start planning and putting things in motion for you to propel to the next level. This is what this has done for me. I'm super excited about this planning and writing it down. I use blue ink because your eye and your mind reacts better to blue ink. I plan out on black, but I write things down in blue ink. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this spread. Thank you for listening to me ramble on. And please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Again, I'm going to try to keep on Fridays and Mondays and Fridays for filming and uploading to YouTube. And all my social media is Inspired Designs with Jae. I also have a Whimsi Daisy Instagram and Facebook page. I have an Impresse Facebook, Instagram page. Of course, Inspired Designs with Jae, Facebook, Instagram page, TikTok, and I believe that's it. Website for this one. Working on the website for this one. But if you want all that information, I'll try to leave it down in the description box so you can check me out and help me grow. I really, truly appreciate you guys. And yeah, that's it. It is always my goal to inspire you to design your life with style, and you have a great one. See you in the next video.